sa Makati. And I had a chance to interview the group right before their one-night-only concert na gaganapin na mamaya. Watch this. Here's in their all-black outfits, sina Minji, CL, Parkbo, at si Sandara Park. Very happy daw ang members dahil finally, na-meet na nila ang kanilang Pinoy fans.
We felt really welcome yesterday at the airport, and yeah, all our fans are, fun and they're all, I love them.
Palagi daw silang kinukwentuhan ni Sandara tungkol sa ating bansa, about food, culture, and even about Pinoy fans. 필리핀에 대해서 많이 얘기하고 또 오기 전에 expectation 같은 거가 있었나요? 산다라 박 얘기 듣고?
그리고 시절부터 다나오는 친구분들도 박수로
Sobrang excited daw sila to come to the Philippines kasi si Sandara lagi niyang kinukwento about the Philippines, about the food, about her friends. Tapos, meron pa daw mga kaibigan si Sandara na nagpapadala ng mga pagkain sa box to Korea. So they were actually able to try some of the stuff at kaya lalo silang excited to be here in the Philippines. Siyempre, marami rin ang naitanong sa nagbabalik bansang si Sandara. Isa raw sa pinaka-na-miss niya ang kanyang mga paboritong Pinoy food.
sinigang, pinakbel, sisig.
Pero kinakabahan daw siya na mag-perform sa harap ng Pinoy fans.
Sobrang namin ko sila, medyo nervous din ako kasi baka hindi na nila ako lalala.
Unang sumikat noong May 2009 ang 21 with their hit single Fire na chart topper din in other Asian countries. 21 has also won various music awards since then. At dahil first time nilang mag-perform sa bansa para sa kanilang Asian tour na The Party, may handa raw silang special number for their Pinoy fans.
There's something special tonight. But yeah, you guys have to be there to see it. But yeah, it's a secret.
Mamayang gabi na ang The Party concert ng 21 sa Araneta Coliseum. Thanks for watching Chika Minute, mga kapuso!